Welcome, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I am Chef B. If you're new, you can go ahead and subscribe down below. For today's video, I will be styling this curly hair from WowAfrican.com. And guys, straight out of the package, it is ready to be worn, sis. Like, the knots already bleached for you. It's pre-plucked. The lace is fabulous. Everything is just ready. Okay, it is so ready. However, the lace was a little bit too light for me, so I'm going to use my lace tint that I created. It was in my last video, so I'll leave the link down below where you can see how I make my own lace tint to darken it up so that it matches my complexion better. Now this is how the wig is looking. I think it's a side part, I believe, but however, you could switch up this wig however you like it because it is that bomb. So first things first, I'm going to try to tack down my wig. It is a glueless wig. However, sis, I love my security. I won't be doing the ball cap method. I like to use the Got to Be Glue freezing spray to tack down my lace because it gives a really nice melted look and it is so secure. Also, it doesn't make my lace all caked up and all of that extraness when you use other lace glue. I like to make my lace look fresh, sis. I'm not trying with all that product on my lace. So yeah, that's basically what I will be doing. So first, I spray the Got to Be freezing spray all around my hair lining, not on my edges. Okay, you're gonna bring it forward, not directly on your edges. Okay, save the edges, save the planet. And then I'll be using my blow dryer to dry the freezing spray. And yeah, it's going to give a melted look. After I dry it, I tie it down for a little bit, and then now I'm just going to remove the excess lace from my wig. And also, you don't want to, I didn't pluck the wig some more like I usually would do before tacking it down. I wanted to see how it would look just straight out, just as is, especially for people who want wigs that are minimum effort as possible to do. So this is for you, to just show you how easy it is to tack down your wig and just go, sis. But of course, I want my lace to be a little bit thinner at the front to give a more natural look. So all I'm gonna do is just do a little bit of tweezing in the front, and you guys can just see how I tweeze the hair lining to look a little bit more natural. Okay, now I'm just trying to not exactly create any type of baby hairs. It's basically just to give the wig a little bit of edge. And so I'm using some mousse just to swoop that in, but it won't like stay like baby hairs. I'm just doing this to tie it down, and then I'm just going to brush it all back afterwards. This is to also give the lace frontal a more effortless look as well. So once I put the mousse on, I'm gonna tie it down and then just style the hair however I choose to style. Now a little bit of info on this hair. The details will be in my description box down below. It is a 14-inch wig and I love the curl pattern. You guys are gonna see how I manipulated the curl pattern in terms of like fluffing it out. You're gonna see that later on. But yeah, it's super cute. As I said, it is bleached all around. Everything is just basically done for you. This wig is just super effortless. As I said, I wasn't gonna leave like baby hairs on the wig, and yeah, I just brushed back everything to give the effortless look. Now for this wig, a lot of people I've seen with curly hair shirt like this have done the wet look, but I was going for more of a big curly hair type of look. So I'm just taking this brush and I'm brushing it out. It's looking a little bit crazy right now, but sis, I'm telling you, it's gonna all come together. Now I'm gonna forget all about that parting that comes with the wig on the side, because I didn't want the parting to look uniform. I want it to look effortless. I want it to look like untamed but cute and just big and curly. So I'm just gonna let you guys see how I style it, and then that is all there is to this effortless wig.
When you are run down, me just start up.
Now this is my final look. You guys saw when I added the mousse and also the got2b shine spray, and it also made the hair super soft and shiny without giving it a weighed down heavy look. And yeah, that is all there is to this wig. All the info will be down in my description box below. Use the code CHEV15 to get your discount on WowAfrican site. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at dam-chev. I'll see y'all in the next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye, guys.